So, good day sa tanan. Nano ko i-share ninyo guys. So, I created an app called Quick ID. So, this app, it is an Android app that will helps user to generate standardized ID photos instantly. So, meaning, all you need to do is, of course, picture lang ta and the app will just automatically provide you a PDF file containing 4 pieces of 2 by 2 and 4 pieces of 1 by 1 IDs. So let me show you how it works guys. So first, open lang ta sa app, of course app, Quick ID. So as you can see, so mao ni ang tumakita sa iyang homepage, no? Na itulo ka button, take photo, pick from gallery or generate generate ID PDF. So of course, first na to is of course take photo. So of course, pwede po nimo mo select ra kasi mong gallery if na nakay na select na mo, if na nakay ready nga photo na imong ipaan gamiton. Pero wala, of course, take the picture. So take photo. Of course, i-allow lang to ang permission. Okay? So mo take the picture, no, para atong gamiton sa pag-generate sa ID. So naka-take whole picture guys. So I'll just use this picture, no, para maka-generate ang ID. So okay. So all you need to do is of course i-click lang nato ning button nga generate ID PDF. So i-click nato. And that's it. Mana. The app just automatically created a file for your IDs. So makita tong file guys is nato sa downloads. So open lang ta sa file manager. File manager and then dara ID photos kaning PDF. Open lang nato and so makita na to guys, no? Generated na ang 4 copies of 2 by 2 and 4 copies of 1 by 1. So ang ato lang buhaton na ni is i-print lang nato, no? So make sure lang ining print is gamit lang nato ang high quality, no, sa settings, and use the, of course, mag-use tag photo paper para sa atong IDs. So pangutana is mo work ba ni siya if wala internet? Yes. Bisag offline ka ni, this app will work. And thank you for watching guys, and I hope you will share this video and comment. So I really appreciate all of your comments guys. Thank you for watching.